For decades, Pierce Brosnan has been associated with a polished image of charm, resilience, and cinematic presence, but the story surrounding his family life has often been reduced to something far narrower in public discourse. His wife, Keely Shea Smith, has frequently been placed under a spotlight that rarely acknowledged her full identity, instead focusing on appearance-driven narratives that overshadow her decades of work in journalism, filmmaking, and environmental advocacy. What makes this dynamic more complex is not just fame, but the way public attention tends to simplify real people into surface-level judgments. Over time, Keely became a figure discussed less for her accomplishments and more for unsolicited commentary about her body, while Pierce was praised for aging naturally and gracefully. This contrast created an uneven narrative that reflected broader cultural patterns about how men and women are perceived differently in the public eye. Beneath the headlines, however, exists a long relationship shaped by loss, resilience, and shared responsibility rather than spectacle. Keely Shea Smith. Beyond the headlines and public misconceptions, Keely Shea Smith built a professional identity long before and alongside her marriage, working as a journalist and documentary filmmaker, with a focus on environmental issues, particularly ocean conservation. Her career included reporting, hosting, and producing content that highlighted ecological threats and community activism, demonstrating a commitment that extended far beyond Hollywood associations. Yet public attention often reduced her presence to a single defining label as the spouse of a famous actor, overshadowing years of independent work. This reduction reflects a recurring pattern where women connected to celebrity figures are stripped of their professional depth in public perception. Keely's voice in environmental advocacy remained consistent even when media attention shifted toward personal commentary rather than her contributions. Over time, she maintained a quieter public posture, choosing not to engage with much of the noise surrounding her appearance. Her identity, however, remained rooted in activism, family life, and creative work, rather than the simplified version often circulated online. Public scrutiny, double standards, and the cost of visibility. The scrutiny directed toward Keely Shea Smith highlights a long-standing double standard in how aging and body changes are treated differently between men and women in public life. While Pierce Brosnan's aging process was frequently described with admiration and dignity, Keely's physical changes became a subject of widespread commentary and speculation. This imbalance created a narrative where one partner was allowed complexity and maturity, while the other was reduced to appearance alone. Such commentary often ignored natural life events, including childbirth, health changes, and aging itself, instead treating them as matters requiring public explanation. The intensity of this attention reveals how visibility can become intrusive when it lacks empathy. For many years, Keely chose not to publicly address these discussions, allowing silence to stand in place of engagement. That silence, however, was frequently misinterpreted, demonstrating how public spaces often reward reaction rather than respect boundaries or personal dignity. Pierce Brosnan's early life and the formation of emotional depth. Pierce Brosnan's personal history is marked by early experiences of separation and loss that shaped his emotional outlook long before his career reached global recognition. Raised in Ireland after being separated from his parents at a young age, he experienced instability that required emotional independence early in life. These formative years contributed to a sense of resilience, but also an understanding of absence and impermanence. As his acting career developed, particularly with his rise to international fame, he carried with him these early experiences while navigating an industry defined by image and performance. Behind the public persona was a man who had already learned that life could shift unexpectedly and without warning. This background becomes important when understanding his later relationships, as emotional depth and loyalty were not abstract values, but lived experiences shaped by personal history. His approach to family life would later reflect this foundation, especially in how he responded to both love and grief, love, loss, and the impact of Cassandra Harris. Before meeting Keely Shea Smith, Pierce Brosnan shared a deeply significant relationship with actress Cassandra Harris, a partnership that became central to his understanding of love and loss. Their marriage included the blending of families and the creation of a shared home life that felt stable and meaningful. However, This period was profoundly disrupted when Cassandra was diagnosed with ovarian cancer, a devastating illness that gradually reshaped their lives. Despite years of medical treatment and emotional endurance, the illness eventually took her life, leaving Pierce to navigate grief while raising their children. This loss was not only personal but transformative, influencing his emotional perspective for years afterward. It also placed him in a position where responsibility and sorrow coexisted, shaping his approach to fatherhood and relationships. The memory of this period remained a significant emotional anchor, forming a backdrop to everything that followed in his personal journey: meeting, connection, and the quiet beginning of a shared life. When Pierce Brosnan and Keely Shea Smith first met, the encounter did not resemble the highly dramatized narratives often associated with celebrity relationships. Their meeting occurred in a natural, professional context that gradually developed into a personal connection built on conversation, shared values, and mutual understanding. At the time, Pierce was still processing grief, while Keely was focused on her journalism and environmental work. What developed between them was not immediate or performative, but gradual and grounded in everyday interaction. Their connection formed around family life, emotional openness, and a shared willingness to accept each other's histories. Rather than attempting to replace the past, Keely entered a life already shaped by it, recognizing the presence of children, memories, and ongoing healing. This foundation distinguished their relationship from idealized portrayals, emphasizing continuity rather than reinvention. Over time, trust and companionship became central elements of their bond, forming the basis for a long-term partnership, building a family and establishing a life beyond public narratives. As their relationship deepened, Pierce Brosnan and Keely Shea Smith built a family life that extended beyond public perception or media framing. Together, they raised children and created a household centered on stability rather than visibility. Their marriage was not defined by spectacle, but by the ongoing responsibilities of parenting, work, and emotional support. Keely's role within the family included not only partnership with Pierce, but also engagement with the broader dynamics of a blended family structure shaped by earlier loss. This required patience, understanding, and continuity, particularly given the emotional history that preceded their union. Despite public attention, their private life remained focused on ordinary experiences such as raising children, managing careers, and maintaining connection through change. The strength of their relationship was not rooted in perfection, but in persistence, demonstrating how long-term partnerships often rely more on consistency than idealized expectations or external approval. Media narratives, silence, and the weight of public interpretation. Over the years, media narratives surrounding Keely Shea Smith increasingly focused on appearance, often overshadowing her personal and professional identity. This shift reflects broader patterns in celebrity culture, where visibility can become a source of distortion rather than understanding. While commentary about her body circulated widely, Keely herself rarely engaged publicly, choosing instead to maintain privacy and focus on family and work. This silence, however, was frequently misread as absence rather than choice, illustrating how public interpretation often replaces actual understanding. Meanwhile, Pierce Brosnan consistently expressed support and affection, emphasizing the depth of their relationship rather than external judgments. The contrast between private reality and public discussion created a persistent tension in how their marriage was perceived. In many ways, the situation highlighted how narratives can become detached from the people they describe, shaped more by audience projection than by lived experience or personal truth. Shifting public attention and the changing language of appearance. At a later point, public attention toward Keely Shea Smith shifted when changes in her appearance became the subject of renewed commentary, this time framed in more positive terms. Headlines and online discussions that had previously been critical began to express admiration, demonstrating how quickly public perception can change based on visual cues alone. However, this shift also revealed a deeper inconsistency in how value is assigned in public discourse. The same person who had been criticized for years was now being praised without acknowledgement of the earlier negativity. Keely herself did not publicly frame this change as a transformation, nor did she present it as a response to external opinion. Her continued focus remained on personal life and long-standing commitments rather than public validation. This moment illustrated how quickly narratives can pivot without addressing their underlying assumptions, particularly when those narratives are built primarily on appearance rather than identity or contribution. Appearance, identity, and the limits of public validation. The fluctuating public response to Keely Shea Smith underscores a broader issue about how appearance is often treated as a primary measure of value, particularly for women connected to fame. Throughout her life in the public eye, Keely's identity has included roles as a journalist, filmmaker, environmental advocate, partner, and mother, yet these dimensions were frequently overshadowed by commentary on her body. Even when public tone shifted toward praise, it remained anchored in appearance rather than substance. This reveals the limits of validation that is conditional on physical perception rather than recognition of lived experience or contribution. Pierce Brosnan's consistent support highlighted a contrasting perspective within the relationship, one grounded in emotional connection rather than external judgment. The disparity between private understanding and public commentary demonstrates how easily narratives can become detached from reality when filtered through superficial criteria. Loss within the family and the return of grief. Tragedy again entered Pierce Brosnan's life with the loss of his daughter Charlotte, who died from ovarian cancer, echoing the illness that had previously taken her mother. This event deepened the family's experience of grief, reinforcing a painful cycle that had already shaped Pierce's emotional history. The impact of this loss extended beyond personal sorrow, affecting the entire family structure and reinforcing the fragility of stability. Keely Shea Smith's presence during this period was defined not by public attention but by private support and continuity. While external narratives often overlook such moments, they are central to understanding the depth of long-term relationships. Grief, in this context,